Today I'm making a crispy fried shrimp with a spicy mayo dipping sauce. My take on bang bang shrimp. If you're interested, let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this delicious fried shrimp. Paprika, smoked or regular, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, chili powder or chili flakes, garlic powder or granulated garlic, you can also use fresh garlic, onion powder, and breadcrumbs. For the special sauce you'll need mayo, hot sauce, and honey, and 1 pound of peeled, deveined, rinsed, drained shrimp. Next we'll season the shrimp with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon paprika, ½ teaspoon chili powder, cayenne pepper or hot sauce according to your preference, 1 teaspoon garlic powder or granulated garlic, and ½ teaspoon onion, and salt to taste. This is a scant 1 teaspoon, and black pepper, about ¼ teaspoon. Next we'll mix well to combine, and you could marinate this for a minimum of 30 minutes or overnight in the refrigerator, but that's optional. And my daughter is helping today. If you don't have these spices, you can use all-purpose seasoning or green seasoning, or a combination of all-purpose and green seasoning, or seafood seasoning, whatever you have in your pantry or spice cabinet will work. Next you'll need a fairly large bowl with 1 cup of flour, and we'll add the same spices we did to the shrimp to the flour. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper or chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon onion powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt, ¼ teaspoon of black pepper. Then we'll mix it well to combine. Next we'll add 1 cup of water to the flour mixture. Give it a good stir. Now we'll add the seasoned shrimp to the flour mixture. And mix again to coat the shrimp with the flour mixture. Meanwhile, add about 2 to 3 cups of oil, vegetable or canola oil or any frying oil, to a pot and heat it over high heat. Next we'll remove the shrimp from the batter and place it in the breadcrumbs and coat it well with the breadcrumbs. If you wish, you can also add coconut flakes to the breadcrumbs for coconut shrimp. Repeat with the remaining shrimp. When your oil is hot and you have enough to fit in the pot without overcrowding it, place the shrimp gently into the hot oil. Lower the heat if it's cooking too quickly. They fry very quickly, so remove them to a sheet pan, a lined sheet pan. The heat is now on low because the oil was very hot. We'll add 6 at a time. Increase the heat to medium if nothing is happening. Lower the heat if it's smoking or browning too quickly. As dark or as light as you wish. The first set would be darker. And repeat with the remaining shrimp. The oil is hot enough, it will take only about a minute or two, or less. We're going to try frying some without the breadcrumbs, just in case you don't have breadcrumbs, so we'll place it in hot oil. No breadcrumbs, just the batter. We're also going to place some in the air fryer. And we'll place this set in the air fryer. And let's see how it turns out. And this is done. Now we'll squeeze out the mayo into a bowl. We have about half cup of mayo in this bowl, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Add as much hot sauce as you like, and 2 tablespoons of honey, or according to your taste. We only added 1. We'll taste and see if it needs to be adjusted. Leo's doing his job at the window, barking at the birds. It tastes perfect like this for me. It does not need any more honey or anything else. You can also add garlic, minced garlic if you wish, or garlic powder. But we'll keep it simple today. And that's it. The sauce is ready. And here is the air fryer shrimp. It's not as pretty, but it will be equally delicious without all the oil.
And there you have it, a crispy fried shrimp with a spicy dipping sauce. Perfect appetizer or snack your family and friends will love, especially your 4-legged friends. Hope you give this recipe a try and come back and leave your feedback below. We'll be waiting to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye bye.